Hey guys, what's up? This is Harsh here back for another video. So in this one, I'll talk about the pros and cons of a gaming laptop. So let's hop into it. First, let's talk about the advantages of gaming laptops. Since they are designed to run heavy games, they provide great performance and can do many other graphic intensive work like video editing and all. Also, gaming laptops provide good value for money. Not as much as a PC, but yes, they do. A gaming laptop will generally provide better performance when compared to ultrabooks or notebooks of its price range. Also, many gaming laptops look different and they do get a lot of attention, which can be both a pro and a con. Now let's have a look at disadvantages. So first disadvantage, which many people ignore, is that you can't do gaming on it without plugging the AC adapter. Yes, you heard it right. You can, but you won't get the desired performance. Second thing is that unless you spend a lakh or so, your gaming laptop will definitely be heavy, and the AC adapter, which is a big hit on portability. You can't travel with a gaming laptop daily, or it won't be comfortable to do so. Also earlier, I said that these laptops have a great performance. This thing also affects the battery backup negatively. Though gaming laptops have huge batteries, but still, they won't give a great backup unless and until you just have light work. So if you are thinking of purchasing a gaming laptop, keep these things in mind.